so we are going to talk about the My Arcade Game Station Pro. And I'm just calling this a Sega Dreamcast clone because this thing looks like a Dreamcast. Alright, let's see, we're getting the wireless pedal and 2 controllers. So I'm guessing this is more like an homebrew 8-bit, 16-bit game console. It's from the brand My Arcade. My Arcade makes a lot of these, let's say, bootleg or weird knockoff systems. They're having mini arcade machines, controllers, plug and play, and the Game Station Pro. So I came across this one on Amazon thinking, I need to pick this up. I just wanted to show you here on the channel what are we going to get. Is this more like an old school Wii rip-off system that nobody really wants to have, or is it maybe a little bit decent? So it uses some batteries for the wireless pedal. So I'm very curious, is there a gyro or something in it? Okay, let's see, there are batteries inside, so I hope they're not going to ship all of these systems with a battery inside, because they're going to leak after quite some while, but I'm guessing they're not going to sell them all within a couple of weeks or months. Alright, so this is the pedal. Let's take a close look at it, and actually what you can see here, we're having 2 sensors. I'm guessing he is reading the input from here, so if you're moving it, it will recognize signal input and it's going to do something. Right, so these are the very horrible controllers you're usually find with. Oh my god, this is so horrible. Yep, these are the cheap ass flimsy controllers you find with these NES clone systems. Oh my god, and here comes smell test. Oh, they don't smell chemical at all. Okay, so light, cheap. Oh my god, what did I buy? So the system itself, so this valve doesn't open. It looks like it can open, but it doesn't do anything. Okay, power, reset. At the front find 2 USB connections. At the back, battery compartment. And you can already take a closer look inside. You see some wires and some PCB boards. So there's nothing really going on with this. It has the mono sound and the AV out, so there's no HDMI. Alright, so let's connect it to an old school LCD in my case, and let's see what we're going to get if it comes to the games. Oh man, I think this is going to be horrible, but nevertheless. Alright, so let's take a close look at the controller, and what's pretty weird, I don't know what the hell is going on with this, but it seems to be there is a little sensor over here, and it's having this sound inside, or there's something loose. And what you can see, it's used. Oh yeah, you can see it because the cable outside of the cable is broken. Right, so USB connection. So I'm guessing if this thing breaks, you can just basically use another USB controller, or there's something we're hoping. Alright, wait. I know you can hear it on the camera. I'm hearing this very high bleeping sound, but nothing happens. So, right, great. Alright, the question is only, why do I don't have any signal from the screen? And I can already tell you, my television is not broken. There is something wrong with this device. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get over here. Aha! This is the problem, my friends. The connection is broken off from the yellow wire, and the yellow wire, surprise, surprise, it's for the screen. I need to heat up the main board a little bit. My iron is hot enough. Yes, alright. Wait for it, wait for it. Alright. Alright, be very gentle because all the wires are freaking thin. It's more like these cheap Chinese cables. Alright, everything in position. Let's see if I can close it. Alright, so let's close it back together. Everything is in the right position. Basically it's only 4 freaking screws, but nevertheless. I'm happy that I fixed it, so I can finally make the review, because there's nothing more annoying than sending something back and waiting for a replacement. Alright, so let's grab the controller, let's stick it in the system itself again, and let's play some Dream Gear games. And not Game Gear, Dream Gear, that's something different. Alright, press the start. Set up all connected, insert batteries, power on the console, blah 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 blah. Alright, let's go. Still have this interference, this is really poor. Alright, what kind of game are we going to get? Hearts, roulette, craps. Oh man, this is going to be... Oh man, these are pretty horrible games. Alright, so let's play. Let's play table tennis. Oh. Oh. Rocking soundtrack. Let's practice first. Okay, let's play this guy. I'm guessing I'm going to need to use the pedal now. What? It doesn't do anything. Oh. It seems to be I can just basically press the buttons. Boo! Boo! Boo with you! Alright, so let's play table tennis, let's play tennis itself. I'm getting the feeling it's basically the same game, but it is the same game. Oh no, we're having different screen. I'm not going to use the pedal because this stupid thing doesn't even work. There are some batteries in it. How do you play this game? Okay, I'm going to put it in screen so we can... Okay, you just press it. One button. Get the hang of this. What out? You cheesy PC! Can you direct these? Come. How does it work? It doesn't do anything anymore. Whatever. Okay, play one. Okay. So I was thinking outrun, but no, it's disappointing. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm up there. This is basically more like a Frogger game. Right. Can I take it? No. Yes, I can go. No. Oh, I can drown. Oh, right, so I'm getting from the next prison. So I need to survive and save all those little guys. Okay, let's see. What? Oh, I just need to point the direction. He's driving out this... Oh, alright. Getting. Oh, I need to grab the time. Oh, that's basically what I only need to do. I need to grab the time to give myself some more time. Oh, wait. Catch out. Devil Dom Doom. Sounds familiar. Yeah, I've seen this game before. Yep, I've seen the game before. And you know what kind of systems? I did some reviews about those very strange, let's say, newer generation of NES clones that contain some 88 games or so. Alright, so people, this is what you're going to get with the Dream Gear. It's a little bit disappointing, and I'm thinking, okay, how can you be disappointed? You knew it already, it was crappy. If you're thinking this, you're wrong, because sometimes we having some, let's say, cheap but decent products. The Dream Gear is a brand you see very often in big stores here in the Netherlands and other countries, and basically on Amazon. I was thinking, oh man, this needs to be a little bit better product than all the very cheap, very horrible clones. But no, this is really bad. It's just basically like all the other stuff.